Yes? Let's go. Welcome back, Monday. This is exciting. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on. This sucks. Alrighty. I don't know where this thing is. Why is this not showing up? Why is this not showing up? That's goal. Where's the goal? Goal. Add. Followers. Couldn't set up the existing. Where is it? Hold up, this is gonna look real weird for a second. Bro, what is going on? Oh, come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Don't be mean. Why does this have to be so difficult? Sorry, I know it looks a bit weird right now, but I'm trying to figure it out. We're about to hit 5,000 followers. And I want to put a follower goal up. But it's not working for some reason. There we go. Why is this not showing up? Live goal. Set up live goal. Got it. No, that's gifts, man. God damn it. What up, Nate? How are we? Anas, thank you very much for the likes. I appreciate it. Why is this not popping up? Delete. Okay, delete goal. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Goal. Add. Follower. 5,000. Follower goal. Add. There we go. There we go. Why is that so weird though? I don't like it. Oh, appearance. Yep. Let's just chuck it there. Fuck it. Whatever. What's up? What's good, Crip? What's good, blood? Hello, good fucking morning. Good morning. Sorry, I don't have the kick chat up. I'm sure. You just give me a second. What's good? It's Monday. I'm excited. Minimize you. Good fucking morning. I accidentally pressed buy today when I meant to press sell rip 500. That's tough, bro. That's tough. Oh, dude, I love those fucking emojis, bro. They're so fucked. All right. Monday, let's have a big week. Let's have a big week. I'm excited. Is that a fair value gap indicator you have on? Yep, I developed it myself. Dax, thank you very much for following me. Hello, how are you? Is that NQ? Nope, this is pound US dollar. You guys already know what fucking time it is. Oh, it's so wet. and hard. I soiled my panties. Yum-y. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's get Discord open. If you're not in the Discord, join Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Make sure I got everything up. I want to touch you. Nice. Monster. It is monster time, bro. How many monsters do you drink a day? Just two. Just two. And I have a small one as well. Small V or whatever. Doesn't matter. Red Bull. Ah, your local cactus eater. What up? I'm broke today. Bro, do you think I give a shit? You're good. Thanks for tuning in anyway. What's going on? Bro, what the fuck is this? What do you mean? I have my window open and you are screaming, my neighbors are going to love you. Sell from here. Noah, thank you very much for following me. We are, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Can I make that smaller? No. God, that's annoying. I can't make that smaller. The fuck? Oh, we have different ones. Ah, they're all kind of whatever. Only 2 rookie numbers, I know. Another great night for 160 milligrams of caffeine. Abso-fucking-lutely, Hank. Let's go. Bit of an interesting weekend with Trump going to go see, or Putin coming to go see Trump, and nothing being resolved. Let's have a look at, I've decided that I'm going to eat pizza every day just because I can. That is very interesting. Split pairs, did anything? Quite a large gap on the Swiss short. Presumably, that's, I mean, actually, let's have a look at anything else. Anything else had a big gap? Not particularly. I would expect potentially Swiss or US dollar pairs to gap down due to what occurred over the weekend. So that kind of makes sense. That's a pretty fucking big gap, not gonna lie. Small gap. It's probably more just Swiss. But we gap filled pretty much instantly. Almost all of them. What the fuck? Weird broker candles. Jesus. What up, Meegsy? Happy Monday to you too. Sell? What do you mean sell? What are we selling? You trade funded or personal? Personal. Hello, what up, Kyler? And Mixie, yeah, let's have a look at the likes. Fuck. We got a lot of likers, not a lot of likes. Which is okay. Contributions from everyone, I appreciate that. Dax 416, Meegsy 75, El Cubano Jit 14, Busted 5, Nate 4, Your Local Cactus Eater 3, and Anas 1. Kyla's fucking speeding up there. Thank you, guys. Are we going to have a fucking good day today? Thank you very much for the heart, me, Meegsy. Are we going to have a fucking good day today or what? If you say no, you're fucked! It's Monday. Calm. There hasn't been a whole lot. I mean, there's been movement, but nothing particularly too much in our favor. Over the last week, I should say, today, a lot of things are starting to play out. Haven't made too much today. We're crawling down on pound New Zealand. We're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs right now. 4 being euro, 4 more being pound, and 1 US dollar CAD. So we will have a look. Actually, one else is euro pound, so I guess 5 pounds, which is a bit silly of me, but it's not a whole lot going on, so I'll take it. We're only sitting in 4.4% drawdown at this current point in time, and it's probably a little bit lower now because I took this screenshot like an hour ago, and 3.43% for the month. So super slow month. August, September, and the end of December is usually very fucking slow. Very slow. What up, Busted? You still How can I get into trading? I'm only 14. You can't. And I can't recommend anything for you either because that's illegal. You can do education. That's about it. David Chambers, thank you very much for following me. Do you have a community you do what you do with, or mostly solo? Yes, I have a free community, but everyone's very not motivated in there, so there's not a lot that goes on in the free community. It's mostly in the mentorship community that shit happens. Levi, what's going on? But the links are in my bio for that, Kyler. Going down. This is, yeah, hopefully pound New Zealand, because we've been on a bit of just a tear up, and it does look like we're getting some weakness. My TP for pound New Zealand is just inside this gap. I was debating a little bit earlier whether to drop it or raise it. I couldn't really think of what to do. So obviously, give me my pen. Give me 1 second. Obviously we had an accumulation for months on pound New Zealand, right? Basically just going sideways. We've broken out of that recently, and we're coming back down slightly. So we've just tapped into this 4-hour gap here. And it doesn't seem like we've rejected straight out of it. So I'm kind of happy with that. But I was debating whether or not to drop this down to here. Or raise it to very top of the gap, take a bit less profit than I usually would, and I honestly don't really know. I think with being a little bit indecisive, I'll probably just leave it exactly where it is. We did reject off this 5-minute gap. Both of them, there was a big candle that wicked down, took out both these gaps, and then rejected back up. And we're coming back down now, so a bit of fluff around the 5-minute. Just see what happens. This music sucks. What's all this? Trading. Mason, don't. Yeah, probably not at 14. Is it on H4 or day one? I use 1 hour M5, but I sometimes look at the 4 hourly. Like for example with this, I couldn't really get a big enough picture, so I just jump onto the 4 hour just to get the bigger picture. It gives me a bit more room. So, but mostly just 1 hour I'll pay attention to. Hold up. I'm very slow. I like being slow. Okay. Good bro, how about you? I'm fantastic. It's Monday. We got a lot of shit to do this week, and I love Mondays, believe it or not. Believe it or not. Everyone else fucking hates them. This guy loves them. Money to be made. No job to wake up to. Ovidio, thank you very much for following me. How you doing today, bro? Fantastic, Ryder. How are you? Sell now before it's too late. What are you talking about? Change your candle colors. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Don't drop, leave it. I don't know. Can I ask if you have financial freedom already? Yes. Or has this been investments for that long term? No, I'm chilling. Yes, you think like me. PHP is going well. You don't have to answer, by the way. Yeah, no, I'm happy to answer anything. Well, most things. How much is your TP? Not going to say how much it is. I think you play spin the wheel to decide. That's how I make all my major financial decisions. What up, Mr. Taxman? Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. You got Forza Horizon 5 at all, bro? If so, want to play? I don't have it. I don't really play video games. It's waste of time. For the most part. I mean, there are some benefits to video games. However, you just, in my opinion, it's a bit of a waste. Should I start a course and price it €99 a month? No, probably not. Fuck, do we not have any flares? Dried Nebula, thank you very much for following me. Shit, we don't have any fucking flares. I'm gonna have to go on TikTok and fucking... I might be able to get one, potentially. Come on. Don't be shit. How do I even do this again? Live, here we go. What the fuck is happening? 15 rewards unclaimed. Okay, tier 1 flare. It says I have one. Why can't I use it? Why can't I use a fucking flare? God damn it. Well, no flare today, guys, unfortunately. Fuck. I completely lied. We have a flare. H4 is good. Yeah, I don't mind it. Good evening, Tom. What up, Tommy? How are we? Agreed. You're reading the comment too slow. Okay. How do you manage your tax on income from this? Get an accountant. I'm going to trade now. Okay. Okay, bet. Let's race. If I win, I get to keep the kids. I feel like this is his video game. I was thinking about this the other day, right? I was thinking about this analogy, right? So, think of trading, right, as a video game that you have to beat. If everyone spent as much time as they do on fucking video games and trying to be the best at video games and all this shit, and they just applied it to the charts, look at the charts like a video game. You could be a fucking millionaire. You know, you could be fucking rich if you just applied the time and the energy and the, you know, the willpower to defeat this fucking video game. If you did this with the charts, you could be very successful at this. But you know. Yeah, people just would rather play fucking video games. Look at it like a video game. You're trying to beat other people. Same shit. Tried Nebula again. Thank you very much for following me. We're crawling up. 4,976 followers. I think my knowledge is worth that. I've been learning for 7 months though. Yeah, no, I would not recommend it. I would not recommend it at all. To be completely honest. 7 months is not a long time. It's not a long time. Not to sell education anyway. But yeah, I mean, you do whatever you want. What the fuck am I doing? We pop flare early, fuck it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's run it. What's your thoughts on buying Sol? Oh, I don't really have much of any opinion on it, to be honest. What is a flare? It's basically TikTok gives you these things, these flares, and it gives you more exposure. It puts your shit on people's feeds and stuff. Everyone gets them that goes live. Yo, I need help. What's up? I recently got into trading, but I don't know nothing. That's right. That's what I'm here for. I have a mentorship community where I teach you pretty much everything, including one-on-ones and everything. Or you can just join the free Discord, and I've got a beginner's video that just teaches you the complete basics. Discord's linked to my bio. Morning, Tom. What up? Texas, how are we? I agree with the video game shit, yeah. Do you often owe a lot on tax time? Depends. What is your ATF number and yearly income? Just asking as a friendly ATO spy. Yeah, fuck off. Imagine having no money in the bank, but a millionaire in Fortnite. Yep. I know nothing about trading, but I plan on starting to learn TJR's bootcamp. Good luck. I'll see you in fucking 17 months when you finish it. And still probably unprofitable. What's your thoughts on buying Solana? I have no thoughts. Thank you very much for following me. Do not pay for TGA's course, bro. You're going to get ripped off. This guy's course is way better, and he's not making his money from his course. Yeah, well, yeah. I'm 99% sure TGR made all his money from crypto. He even says that he made his money from crypto early on. And yeah, I make fucking nothing from my mentorship. I really don't. And thank you very much. I appreciate that a lot, Ryder. What do you trade against then? Not crypto? Currencies. I do currencies. Mr. Fresh Potato. Thank you very much for following me. Bet his house, wife, and kids as collateral. It never fails. Oh, bet the house, wife, kids. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah. 8K likes already. 8,000. Who's pulling weight? Let me guess. Migsy? She's up there. Dax 3.1. Fucking hell. Migsy 1.5. Dried Nebula. The Taxman with a rose. Thank you very much, Taxman. I appreciate that a lot. Dried Nebula 648. Busted 487. Ryder 415. Kyla 17. Taxman 15. El Cubano Jid 14. And Nate 4. Thank you very much. Thank you. It all helps. It all helps. Somebody said he made 8.1 million from WAP. Probably. But yeah, I mean, you know. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. He's big and he sells a, pretty unrealistic lifestyle that everyone wants. It's like typical get rich quick scheme shit. Holy fuck. What the fuck? Taxman with a heart me, and then Sage the Smart Bear. That's a big gift, bro. Thank you very much. I seriously appreciate that. Thank you very much. That's a fucking big gift. Jesus. You never fail to impress me. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you. That's fucking awesome. Oh, making my Monday. I'm happy. Thank you, thank you. What was I doing? NQ. Someone asked for NQ. I don't trade NQ anymore, but we can have a look at it. I haven't looked at it in a while. Taxman reached member level 13. Thank you very much. That's fucking awesome. You've been here for a while. I appreciate it. NQ. We're at lows at the moment. We have no news today. So nothing to really drive this up or down besides potentially the stuff that happened on the weekend. But again, there wasn't a whole lot that happened on the weekend. Not being able to agree with anything with Putin might take a little bit of a hit. Probably not. We're at lows at the moment. Pre-market doesn't really mean shit. So, yeah. Just have to wait and see. Is get rich quick fake or can be reality? The majority of the time it's get rich quick scheme, right? There's scheming and trying to provide this lifestyle that's unrealistic to get you to buy something from them, right? That's not what I do. I do not do that. I don't promote this fake, unrealistic lifestyle. I promote a realistic lifestyle doing this sort of thing. Does that mean I'm going to get absolutely no fucking viewers and fucking all that shit? Yes. But will I have a more clear conscience and, you know, give people reality? Yes. No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, no. This is NASDAQ. I trade currencies. So, yeah. This is pound New Zealand. Damn, I really am a fanboy. I don't even trade, but you've taught me some basic common sense with cash. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, man, however much I can help, I want to. J World, thank you guys. Thank you very much for following me. No, it's real. I've robbed 7 banks and I'm hella rich, but also worked in 37 countries. That's funny. Bro, there's a lot of gifts, man. Thank you again. Friend of mine used to make millions trading, but his market went down and now he doesn't trade. I think he did NFTs also. True. Yeah. NFTs, what the fuck happened with NFTs, eh? That was just such a bizarre thing. Like, surely, I mean, the rich got very rich from it, right? Because a lot of them bought in early and then promoted them to fucking everyone. And so a lot of people got very rich, but it was the masses that got kind of fucked, you know? And that's a bit of a life lesson, right? So the rich are always going to get richer because they position themselves early on in specific markets that they can target, the average person, right? So they position themselves super early on these things, dump a bunch of money in, and then get the public, you know, the average, you know, mum and dad, daughters, single fucking families and all this shit, seeing things pump, and then they get very rich off of it, and then they get out before it all goes to shit. So yeah, it's how the rich get richer. It's all about timing and positioning and what's the word? Catching trends early. Catching early trends. Dunny Roll, thank you very much for following me. Just gave me a forearm workout liking this. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. 1.3. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. He's living humble now, but he seems content. That's good. That'd be tough though. That would be tough. So you remember your first trade you ever made? No. I remember one of the first ones that I made. It was on Aussie dollar, US dollar. And it was on, I can't remember what platform it was. It was like plus 500 or some shit. And it was a 50K demo account and it went up to like 110K or some shit over like 1 or 2 nights. So it was one of the first ever ones. I don't remember the very first, but yeah, that would have been one of the first. I had no idea what I was doing. It was full gamble. Like, I don't know what I was doing. Richer well networks get the inside running early. 100%. Yep. Dang. Yeah. Real question. Saab has been victory in the last month with their fighter jets and weapon systems. Do you know much about trading stocks? No, I don't. I don't know shit about trading stocks, to be completely honest. I have never traded a stock. Never really gave a shit about trading stocks. Don't know much about it, to be completely honest. I guess it helps that he got closer to God and it shows in his life. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I guess he just values different things now and is making real changes in people's lives. No, that's very good. Good on him. Good on him. Yeah, it'd be very difficult to get humbled like that. It would fucking suck. We had 13K likes within 32 minutes. I love it. Thank you guys. Oh, God. I'm going to work, but I'll be back. Oh, good. No worries. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you for all the likes and everything, and I'll see you in a bit. Take it easy. Yeah, all the other guys in church keep saying they miss his Porsche or make jokes that he's going to pay for everything, and I'm like, guys, stop. Yeah, that's fucked. Oh, well. What can you do? What can you do? Unlucky. Oh, fuck. I don't think we're going to get the 5K today. It would be nice, but I don't think we're going to hit it. It's just fucking TikTok, just no promotion or anything. Let's see what they got for us this week at least. Okay. Go live for 140 minutes today. We can do that. 2 hours, 20 minutes. Yep. 1,600 minutes of views. We'll have a look. See if we can get that. 550 minutes this week. Oh, yeah, we hit that easy. What's our max? How many fucking thingos do we get for this? Fuck $32 and $58. Okay, so we got 100. 45, 70, 65. What the fuck is that? Yes. 90. 135. And we'll hit the 70k likes this week. Win 2 live matches. Fuck. God damn it. Hopes for Intel. I don't trade Intel. Got nothing to do with it. So I got no clue. How's everyone's weekend? Actually, what did everyone do on the weekend? What did we fucking do on the weekend? I also would like some input. Maybe when we get some more people in here, I'll ask you guys a couple questions. Because it's literally only little old me that does this, right? Everything. It's just me. 500 to 1 leverage before the new rules came in. What do you mean, Tony Roll? Weekend was slow, was it? What'd you get up to? Had a photo shoot for my brand Tokyo Drift Style. Fuck yeah. Good job. Congrats on the your brand. God damn, you got fucking heaps of followers, motherfucker. I wonder if you know something Tokyo. If you no, I don't know the fucking lyrics. Leave me alone. Oh, I'm obsessed with this new song. I'm obsessed with this new song. I went to the gym and probably played it at least 9 times. Yeah, make one-of-a-kind pieces. Fuck yeah. Good shit. CFD trading, government limited leverage for Aussies. I think 20 to 1 max now. I get 500 to 1. Depends where you go. I use a broker in New Zealand, so I get 501. It's 1 to 20 for indices and 1 to 30 for currencies, Forex, I believe. But yeah, I get 1 to 500 for indices. Not indices, Forex. I think it's 1 to 100 for indices, maybe? I'm not sure, I can't remember. It's never a problem for me. It might actually be 1 to 500 for indices too. Can't remember. Can you remember? Bro, I want to play this song, but I don't want to get fucking copyright struck. So annoying. Do you have to be a New Zealand citizen to be able to trade with them? No. Nope. Go click on the link in my bio. You'll be right. They're actually still regulated with the ASIC, but I think they like register you under the FMA which is the Financial Markets Authorization in New Zealand. All good, mate. No stress. Everyone in the mentorship and everything, they all use it. They all use Black Bull. Damn, no. That in the chat? Yeah, it's a lot of people, eh? How the fuck is everyone? How many people can kick? Or TikTok for that matter. It's fucking, bro. We've no one in TikTok. Which we just gotta keep going. As difficult as it is and painful not having many people in here, because the chat, I mean, when the chat dies, it's like, the fuck do we talk about? What's going on? So I'm going to start going through my pairs and what I'm trading at the moment. This was a screenshot from like an hour and a half ago. The important people are here, but yeah. So 9 total pairs, 28 total trades. We've done 3.43% for the month, sitting in 4.4% drawdown. Just gonna have to wait for a lot of shit to play out, but we're getting there. We're getting there. A lot of shit's dropped, especially EuroCAD and PoundCAD. I'm just gonna quickly check if anything's really changed. Literally nothing. Just almost the exact same. Let's have a look at what we're in. Starting off at Euro odd. Again, we're in a lot of Euro and Pound pairs at the moment. God, so much just sideways chop. We're not even in 2 on this. So pretty large extension, very aggressive. We got in on the rejection here. How we didn't get out of that, actually I'll explain how. It's because of spread. So this is the opening candle and it would have been spread like that far. They all do it. So big spread, didn't get us out in profit. We climbed back up to these highs up here, and then today we've actually had quite a significant... Oh fuck, that's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to look at the bigger picture. We've had quite a significant dump. Yeah, you could say this is just resistance here. This whole level here is just resistance, and that's where we're tapping off of, where it says last week's high. We just tapped into this gap and then come back down. So there is a gap here, which we are bet. Hello? Cancel stop loss. Whew. Fucking hell. So about to tap in this gap, which we've rejected off about 4 times. So whether we can break through this and gap fill, I don't know. So my TP is about 1/3 of the way through. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I want to look at some news. What happened? No news Monday? Yeah. Yeah. I just want to see if anything was said or... Trump, hello? Zelensky can stop war with Russia almost instantly. Zelensky can end the war with Russia if he desires. Hello? I don't fucking think that's entirely true. And then Zelensky said, Russia must end war. This is just a fucking... Bro, this is just a fucking TV show, eh? This is just fucking stupid. Right. I can't see much into why... Like, I'd be usually... I don't want to read fucking everything, but... There's nothing in red, which indicates that there's nothing that significant that's happened for the euro to dump like that. Or if it could be, it could just be a standard retracement off of this move, or it could be the Aussie dollar powering up. Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, no, Euro's dumping. Oh, I'll just have to read everything later. Well, it's dumping. That's cap. Yeah, I know. It's fucking ridiculous. Euro's dumping. We take it though, because we're in lots of Euro pairs. So, Euro CAD, we're in quite a few of these. Are we in 6 so far, I think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, obviously, quite a significant stretch that we've had. We've had a few flag breaks, little accumulation for about a week. Continuation, flag break, continuation, and now it seems like it's actually taking a bit of a dump at the moment, quite aggressively. So hopefully we can get down to around about yesterday's low where my take profit is, and then we'll just get out of that. That would be fucking nice, because the Euro CAD and Pound CAD have been my biggest drawdown. Holy shit! Christopher with a cap and the Rapid Drop Bear with 10 ice cubes. Thank you very much, Christopher. And thank you very much to Rapid Drop Bear. What up, guys? Thank you very much. I'm still in Euro USD short from last week. Fucking hell. I'll have a look at that in a second. Oh. So yeah, we're taking a bit of a dive. We're just starting to fizzle out. We double bottomed, but it doesn't seem like kind of like a triple bottom now. Yeah, alright. We've obviously got CPI for the CAD, so that could drive this in either direction. We'll see. We'll see. That's cap. Oh. I need more of this. Right, yeah. Thank you guys very much for the gifts. I appreciate it a lot. We're doing it tough on TikTok, so that shit helps. We got 5 fucking people in here. It's whatever. It's whatever. So yeah, Euro CAD, we're in quite a few. Euro Swiss, we don't trade that. Euro Pound, not too many, but we are kind of flip-flopping around for A little bit. There's not a whole lot happening. Yesterday's high got tapped into multiple times, and now we've broken the lows and come back down, which is kind of annoying because we're very, very, very close to my TP. Very close to my TP. We just needed a little bit more of a push, and it decided not to. So obviously we trade off of extensions. Big extension. Buy, didn't quite get it, and then we just shot down. Got another one on this reversal here off of another extension. Came back up, but didn't quite get out. Not too sure where my previous take profit would have been. Just probably up at last week's high, around there. So we couldn't quite get out of that, and then we've shot down again. Long. Hopefully we don't break these lows here. I don't know. I'd just like to get out of that. What do we have here? Birchop. Thank you very much for the heart me in the go popular. I appreciate that. And member level 19. Fucking hell. That's pretty big. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Member level 19. You're in New Zealand. Was I not looking at that before? Yeah, we went through Euro New Zealand. Euro USD. Let's have a look. What up, Xander? How are we? Mr. Handsome is live. USD short from last week. When did you get into it? God, look at how many fucking trades I've had. On fucking Euro USD. We've just been banking on this. Crazy. And there's a fucking bunch more over here. Lots of trades, lots of trades. We took a trade on Euro USD and got out today. We got out just before on that. Got in off of this extension, got in short. We double topped off of yesterday's high, M pattern reversal, came back down. Our TP was, oh, that was terrible. Was here, taken off. Money in the bank. Mr. Always Good Looking. Thank you very much. What's going on? How are we? How's your weekend? Check Toshi, charts looking great, and had a recent Binance listing and listed on base. I don't trade crypto coins, shit coins or whatever. Sorry, brother, sorry. Had a date this weekend? How'd you go? That's fucking exciting. That is fucking exciting. Pound odd. I don't know why the fuck I have a fib on there. It's probably... Shit, what I just deleted. I don't know what I just deleted, but it was something. Whoops. Pound odd, single entry. We are in profit at the moment. Kinda, not really, just broke. God, look at that price action. Ew. 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 Oh, Wick City, fucking yuck. Ew. Disgusting. The fuck? I'd rather trade Pokemon cards than try and fucking trade this shit. Yuck. So we are short on this from Thursday last week. We haven't, I mean, fucking Christ. Haven't done much since then. Slightly bearish, only so. Only so slightly. You would consider this probably if looks more like a flag break. So extension, flag break, continuation. How far we get down? I mean, just a little bit further. And we can just get out of that one. So not too far off. Just above this hourly gap. Happy with that. Don't really want to change anything. Oh god, we've just gone up and broken out of yesterday's low again. Oh well, whatever. Pound CAD. It's going to be virtually the same as Euro CAD. This thing has been going and going and going for a while. Very, very, very strong bullish movement. Very strong bullish. So, I mean, but have a look at this. This is almost virtually the same sort of movement, right? Absolutely parabolic. Virtually the same, and then it's gonna come tumbling down at some point. We double topped off of here, and then it was just a fucking... So this trade could potentially yield quite a bit. Like if I threw this shit, fucking shit. Where's the top one? How much we make just on that? If I threw this one down. Oh! It's a lot of money. But I probably won't do that. But I might adjust this for, you know, a little bit lower. But again, CAD's coming out tomorrow. CAD CPI. So we could go either way. If we get CPI positive for the CAD, we could be fucking chilling. Pound New Zealand, or was it Pound New Zealand that I was looking at before? I don't know. Huge extension. We are currently in profit. I think it was Pound New Zealand that we were looking at. Huge extension. Coming down, yeah, it was. Coming down now. Looking for this gap. I already went through that about 5 times, so I'm gonna go through that again. Pound US dollar. Huge extension. We have respected this as somewhat of a resistance level, so we are slowly potentially coming back down, which would be nice. We are in 4 trades off of this trend, off of this extension, quite a large one too. So yeah, we basically just V-shaped recovered off of this move here. Just full 100% retracement, and then we might go sideways for a price discovery. Obviously that move's just been completely undone. Who knows? And US dollar CAD. Again, CAD CPI tomorrow. We do have quite a bit of news. I will probably be out of this. I'll chuck this one, even though it's not gonna be a lot. I'm just gonna chuck this at yesterday's low, just so I can get out, get a little bit less exposure on the pound. Obviously, I got a couple of pounds. Sorry, CADs. I got 3 CADs open at the moment. CPI tomorrow. I'd rather just maybe get out of at least one. So coming down to yesterday's low won't be too difficult. I wouldn't say, especially during New York. Hopefully it doesn't just pop back up and react off of these levels here, out of these highs. But it would be nice to get down to yesterday's low, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So that's pretty much everything. 3.43% for the month, 4.4% total drawdown. We're looking pretty good. Slow, but good. Slow, but good. It's a nice goal, but I don't know, don't want to focus too much on that. Yeah, fair enough. If that's not what you're looking for, don't do it. Want to focus on trading? Good, good. What's the best location for the VPS? New York. Or where your broker has their server locations, which will most likely be New York anyway. So probably New York, yeah. Oh, it's been a fucking... I first have to set the VPS and get it like that, connect, and then connect everything. I first have to set the VPS and get it like that, connect everything. So I'm trying to understand the sentence. First I have to set up the, get it like, set up the VPS. Then set up the EA. Yes, correct. Yep. Sorry, I was a bit confused. I thought that's probably what you were trying to say, but I was just like wondering if you were trying to say something else. I apologize. Yeah. Yep. VPS, then the EA. It's like you can do backtesting and everything if you want on without the VPS if you want, but yeah, to get it up and running, gotta have the VPS. Unless you want to leave your computer on like 24/7. So downloading on my laptop is shit. Yeah. It sucks. Like a lot of shit sucks, but once you have it set up, ready, done, you just, you know, you can relax. How long will it take for it to be up and running? Like if I was doing it, it would take me, and I know everything and I've done it like 50 times, it'd take me probably $45 minutes. For you, not too sure. Maybe 2 hours or something. Potentially. That ain't too bad. Yeah, that's if you don't run into any complications or something, which you shouldn't. Like you really shouldn't, or if you stuff something up like that, then you have to go back and do shit. Like I've had times where I've fucked things up so many times because I've been so tired and just not L motherfucking Riz with the hand hearts. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. I tried to join your live and fucking message something, but I think I'm like banned from talking on people's lives. Like if I ever go on someone's live, it never works. Like I try and say something and it doesn't work, and my likes don't show up and all this shit. It's weird. So I did try and jump in, but it just wouldn't work. It was fucking weird. But thank you very much for the hand hearts, man. I appreciate you blowing my fucking eardrums out. I'm gonna hop on my laptop and gonna set everything up. First gonna run it on demo for a week. Yeah. See if it's correctly set up. Yeah, run it for longer than a week on demo. Give it some time. You good, bro? Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna try it again. Next time you live or whatever, I'll fucking jump in and try and set it up, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know what the fuck it is. I think TikTok's just stopped. It just doesn't allow me to go on lives. I don't know. Crypto Christ MD, thank you very much for following me. We're so close. We're so fucking close to 5,000 followers. And you know what happens when we hit it? We haven't shot. We haven't fucking shot. Oh. Oh, we're so cooked, man. Bro, we're so cooked. TikTok fucking hates us. What's live stars? Let's just see what TikTok has. Let's see if we can do anything. What's this shit? Set any campaigns gifts as live goal. Really listen to this song. Bro, what? I don't even know what the fuck this is. Bonus time sticker. Oh, there's zero left. Campaign gifts. Ski Showdown, Ski Star, Live Star. I don't think we've had a gift over 1,000 fucking... like anything over a galaxy in like 6 fucking months. It's been so long. Bro, this shit is fucking insane. Bonus points time is incoming. Okay. Okay, are we a part of this? Okay, we are. Okay, so we need more points. Alright, we need more points. Okay, let's get these fucking points. Rising Star. Each normal gift you receive, 1 diamond equals 1 ranking point. Bonus point time incoming. We take it. So what do we need to do? How much time does trading take? Just want to get into it, but I work all the time. Well, it depends. Oh, Migsy with a live start. Thank you very much. Hold on, I'll get to that in a second. It really depends, right? So the way that my strategy is set up is for people with full-time jobs as well. So you can use my strategy and trade an hour a day, right? Because everything's running in the background and you just have to manage it and monitor it, right? Everything else is done for you because I've developed this bot that gets you in the trades when the setup is there. Instead of having to stare at the charts and wait for your setup, it's going to do it for you. So But if you're doing it manually, it's going to take a hell of a lot longer. Just depends on if your setup's presented or not. It really depends on what time frame you trade, and it's a very hard question to answer. Damn, bro, that sounds scammy as fuck. Yeah, I don't blame you. Do you reckon XRP is worth getting into? Probably not. Depends on how you want to trade. Yep. Alright, that sounds scammy as fuck. Yeah, I don't even like, man, people want to fucking say it's a scam. How's your job? How do these zones work? Does it have a logic? What zones? Like, are you talking about these ones here? Yes, does have a logic. So what these are called wide range bars, or if people are on the internet all the time, they're fair value gaps. So it's basically just like a 3-bar pattern, whereas it's basically the gap between 3 bars, right? If there is a gap left between the bottom wick and the top wick of, or vice versa, it will put in a gap. And what it basically signifies is large institutional orders, potentially large institutional orders where they haven't been able to fill and balance the books out. And what happens is price will tend to gravitate towards these levels, right? They're not always 100% accurate, and I don't use them all the time for entries and stuff like that. I'll use them sometimes as a indicator on where I potentially might exit. My camera's stuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hello? What the fuck? Bro, what? Dude, I have no idea. That was fucking bizarre. Okay, we have the mark shot. Yeah. Send me to prison. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't know what the fuck happened. Thank you, Xander. That's kind of funny. What are we looking at? Like, what are you looking for? So I look for, well, my expert advisor does it for me, which is the bot that I developed, but it basically detects extensions in the market. So here's an entry right here. I don't place these, right? Good luck, my friend. Thank you. Good luck to you too. And on reversals of the market, we have specific criteria, obviously. This isn't random, and it's completely customizable and everything to how you want it to play out and how you want it to take entries and everything. But mine is based off of extensions in the market on a 1 hour time frame, and then a reversal on a 5 minute, and then it will take an entry. Obviously there's a lot more that goes into it, but those are basically the basics. So we look for large extensions. and then the pullbacks. Because the theory is, right, and this is quite true, especially with trading, what goes up must have some form of pullback at some point. And that's, I mean, that's kind of how, you know, you look at a Fibonacci strategy, which has been around forever, right? The Fib's been around forever. And a lot of people will trade something like this extension right here, right? We just trade it a little bit differently and go off of a few different things, but you can use a Fib when trading this, right? So the theory is that a lot of the time it will come down to either 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, right? As you can see here, this gigantic move, almost to the dot, had a 50% retracement. Continuation, right? So it's kind of like that. But what we do, right, and how we trade is we scale into the market when it's going against us, right? So this is a great example. What is this? US dollar CAD. So this had a massive squeeze for days, right? This is a huge move. Up, 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 up. We're scaling in. We scaled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on this one. And just waited for our retracement to get out. That's basically all it was. So this looks like that was our TP just there. Yep, that was our TP just there. We scaled in for a bit over a week, and then within 1 day, we were out. So cash in the bank. We sit and draw down a lot, obviously, because we don't use stop losses and we scale into our positions with very little risk. A lot of the time we're just waiting for our trades to play out. And obviously they don't always play out in one go. Some of the times it takes 5 trades, for example. Some of the time it just takes 1 and you can get out straight away. So this is an example of probably when I was not paying attention to the market. And so we got into a short here. This is on US dollar CAD. We've obviously off of an extension, we've gone short and it hasn't quite touched our TP. This red line's our TP. This yellow line also gives us our break even. So we extended a little bit. We didn't get it too far into the extension for us to get into a second trade, because it will automatically put us in a second trade from our criteria. And then we probably got spread out only the slightest bit, and that's why we didn't get out of this one. Oh, actually, no, that's a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. I just moved this TP. Sorry, I forgot. This TP was here. I actually just moved it to there, to just above yesterday's low. So I can just get out of this because we have Canadian dollar CPI. Sorry, I completely forgot about that. But yes, it's basically how it works. You can be in and out with one trade. It might take 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades. A lot of the time, you're in and out within like a day or 2. And yes, I use a bot. Yeah. What up, Mindfuel? And thank you very much for the heart meet. I appreciate that a lot. And thank you again, Megsy, for the lifestyle. Thank you. Should I use Windows 2022 or 2025 on the VPS? Fuck, I don't know. I don't even know what I use. I think I use like 2019. Oh, fucking, I'm an idiot. 19, 2022, 2025. I definitely don't have Windows 2025. I might have either 2019 or 2022. I mean, if the option's there to have 2025, I'd probably use that. No? Like, you'd think it would probably be smoother. So it's just maybe that. I don't know. I'm not too familiar with the Windows softwares and everything. Thanks, Tom. All good, bro. No stress. What do you think of XRP? I don't really have many thoughts on XRP. I have some XRP, but I don't really touch it. Fuck, I swear this song's played like 20 times. Sorry. Yeah, I don't have many thoughts. If you think, so, like, governments are gonna do some shit. They're either gonna embrace it or crush it, right? They really are. So it's risky buying and holding. I don't really have many thoughts. Minefield, thank you very much for the 3 Go Populous too. Thank you very much, bro. I think, wait, what was that shit on TikTok? What are we looking at? This live stars thing. What is this? So, I'm in here. I got 1.8k points. I'm behind by 11,000? I swear it just said 2,000 plus and it said I was behind by like fucking nothing. What's going on here? I don't even, man, whatever. Oh, it's a lot. I think it's a, bro, I don't know. I don't even care. Fuck TikTok. I don't give a shit. What's your top 5? Top 5 what, Jimbo? Hello, what up, Sienna? How are we? How's your weekend? Boring? What about yours? Oh. Yeah, it was alright. It was okay. It was alright. Not a lot happened. You know what's fucked, actually? A lot of you might know that my fucking grandmother passed away like 2 weeks ago. I had the funeral last week. Got a text message yesterday. Another one. My nan fucking passed away yesterday. I was like, you fucking kidding me? Like, are you fucking kidding me? What are the fucking odds? Condolences, thank you. Dude, it's all good. It's not. Yeah, I'm sweet. I'm cool. But like, brother, like fucking, how do you, you know? Yeah. Well, oh, everything. I don't even know. That wasn't like a. It's all good. No more. No, don't say anything else. But yeah, I was just like, what the fuck? What are the odds? Probably pretty fucking low. But yeah. But besides that, my weekend was like, okay. Hung out with my friends. I went out twice, right? Right? Went out twice. Listen to this. You're gonna be fucking amazed, right? Went out twice. First night, drunk 5 drinks. 5! Hello? 5? Me? 5? Like, the fuck? And then the next night, believe it or not, I had 1 drink! One. Who am I? I'm like, what the fuck? What is wrong with me? Thank you guys for being nice. Come here, 1,500. What? It's my birthday in 2 weeks? You're in September? I'm in September. That's mad. Exciting. They must have been very strong. No, they were I was sober. Completely sober. 3rd of September. Nice. Happy birthday. For the 3rd of September. Will I be streaming? Will I be able to say happy birthday? I will be. It's exciting. 5th of September. What the fuck? That's a coincidence. It's a Wednesday. Yeah, I'll be streaming. I'll say happy birthday. Yeah, on the 30th. Shit. Actually, when is the 30th? What day is it? A fucking Tuesday? That's right, Turbo Tuesday, fast day of the week, best day of the week. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Yeah, so I was literally sober the entire weekend, which is a good thing because I'm very sharp. I've been very sharp all weekend. And I have about 1 million fucking things on Saturday night. So I'll probably be carrying on a bit. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. Let the hair down a bit, you know. Very, very nice. Wednesday. One of my best friends was on the 2nd of September. Who's the... I feel like I know someone whose birthday is on the 1st of September. Someone told me recently that their birthday was on the 1st of September. Who the fuck said that? Who the fuck is on the 1st of September? Yeah, I don't know. Can't remember. Anyway, who gives a shit? My dog's on the 4th. What the fuck? Sometimes my birthday is on Father's Day, which sucks. Oh yeah, that's rough. Like, who's more important? I've got a cousin and uncle, obviously my twin brother, and my dog all in September. Jesus. Fucking hell. I'm on the 5th of November. Nice. Coming up soon. Expensive month, September. Yeah. I was thinking about getting a yacht for my birthday. Not buying one, but current one. I don't know though. It's like a lot of effort. Like a lot of fucking effort. I'm going to Luna Park with my bestie. Nice. That'll be good. Time I invite you to the house when it is set up. Yeah, fuck yeah. Yeah, I'll cruise over there. Gonna jump on a plane. Fuck off to Norway? Sweden. Norway, Sweden. Norway, Sweden. Norway, Sweden. Norway. I'm saying it's Norway. I'm sticking with it. Fuck, I'm good. Yeah, dude, that's pretty cool. I think my mum's going to fucking Norway. shit. Maybe it's Sweden. Or is that Denmark? Oh, I don't fucking know. No, that's not Denmark. Copenhagen, sweet. Dude, I don't fucking know. You'd think I'd know, because I've played fucking Jerga, so like a freak. I was like 180th in fucking Australia. Denmark. Fucking idiot. Fuck. Fuck. No, it is Norway. It is fucking Norway. She's going to Norway. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. I'm not fucking tripping. It's definitely Norway. This pissed me off. This is annoying me. Hi. Are you going to Norway?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just wondering which it was. Okay. Just wondering. No, I'm live streaming. Yeah, all good.
Oslo and Bergen.
Oslo and Bergen. Alright, cool. See ya. There you go. Oslo and Bergen. Answered your question. Are you trading Forex right now? Yep. The water is good, the air is good, the people is good, everything. Yeah, I believe it. We can go and play in the snow and hike the mountains. Oh, bro. Stop it. That makes me want to go on a holiday so bad. So bad. So much work to do right now. Stop it. Fuck, I was hoping we hit the fucking, we hit the 5,000 today. That would have been sick. Bro, do I play this song? How much for a bag? 500. We're actually going very nice. We can work over there. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, fuck yeah. I like the sound of that a lot. And I just saw your message as well. We can hop on a call. Yeah, that's sweet. I'll be next year because we just bought it. Oh, okay, fuck. Sweet. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Did Meeksy send another live star? Wait. Dude, wait, am I tripping? My fuel sent the 3 go populars. Yeah. Meeksy sent another live star. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, does it do anything? The live star. I mean, it probably fucking. Oh wait, we've got. Wait, it says live. So. I don't know. Oh my god, you just gave me a fucking heart attack for a second. Oh my god, I thought it was the original live star. I didn't think it was this one. I was like, oh fuck. This is fucking 4,000 coins. And I was like, holy shit. I'm not too sure. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. Sorry. But it helps, it does help. Like, any gifts help, so I appreciate it a lot. Edson, thank you very much for following me. Thank you. Fuck, we're so close, man. We're so close. 4983, we need 17. God damn it. Sup, White Chocolate? What up, Sticky? How are we? Welcome back. Man, my fucking wisdom tooth. Please no. Please don't fuck out on me. Thank you very much for the heart, me. I appreciate that. How's the trading going? It's going pretty good. This month's probably our worst month for a while. It's just very slow. So, slow progress. We're still up. Fucking... was it 3 point some percent? 3.43%, but... you know, I guess we still got... we're halfway to... I mean, a little bit under halfway to our monthly average. And we've still got 12 days to go, so... we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's just been a bit slow. Last month we did, you know, last month and this month's profit average, so who really gives a shit, to be honest? I'd have a shift next month then. August, September is notoriously slow for us in this strategy, so I'm not particularly surprised we're very slow, but we've had a really good year this year. So I don't really care. You've always got to look at the bigger picture. Did someone say fart coin? Dude, I almost forgot about it. Thank you. Thank you very much for reminding me. That's awesome. Thank you. Super cool. Shit, these lives are hard to do for, like, I was doing 3-hour lives, like every live, but it's so hard to do when there's not much, you know, the chat's not going crazy and it goes so slow, like an hour and 30 feels like it's been 3 hours already. Which sucks. Usually when the chat's going fucking nuts, it's way quicker because I'm always just explaining stuff and talking and everything. I don't even know how Forex moves, but usually when stocks consolidate, they have a big shift. I wonder why that is. I don't really know much about stocks, so... yeah, I wonder. I want to start trading, but first I want to do some training and learning for a couple months. Any advice? Good. That is the absolute best fucking thing you can possibly do, is focus on education first before actually starting. So I'm not too sure if you're aware, but you can use demo accounts, right? Which is virtual funds on like the live charts. And you can do that, get an idea for everything. Definitely focus on your education for as long as possible, and use a demo account for as long as possible until you feel like you're competent and confident enough to put your own money in and start trading. Any advice? Steer clear of the get rich quick schemes. There are a lot of them out there. There are a million different courses and everything that you can choose from. I'd just be speculative about who it is you're going to go with, because the majority of them is just get rich quick, right? And they don't actually know what the fuck they're talking about. Even the biggest guy, FX Alex G, like one of the biggest fucking teachers, got exposed to being fucking fraud. So yeah, just be careful. Focus on the process over the profits. Yeah. I'm gonna grab a dart and some coffee. I was just thinking, I was like, fuck, do I just go out for fucking 10 minutes? I think that'd make my life better. Little reset. Makes it hard to learn with all the money grab trading tutorials. Yeah, absolutely. We've all been there though, and it's like, why would anyone listen to me? Because I don't have a fucking Lamborghini in all of my fucking videos. I'm not in a Dubai fucking penthouse in all of my videos. Like, I know what the fuck I'm doing. and I make money, but I'm just not a get rich quick scheme fucking scammer. It's whatever. It's whatever. Bro, you know how easy it is to fucking do all that shit? It's not hard. It's not hard. What can you do? Actually, what can you do? Let's have a look. Damn. God, that's horrible. A lot of volume right now. Yeah, nothing's really fucking changed. Holy shit. Yeah. Yes, it is. That's why you need to listen to Tom. Thank you, Xander. Thank you. Don't need to get rich quick, honestly. I'm in for a long run. 2 to 3K a month is good for me. Well, yeah, it depends on your capital size. That's very much achievable. That's... I wouldn't say that's particularly hard if you have a decent enough capital size. If I give you 75K, will you halve your return on it? Will you halve your return on it over 12 months? Fuck, man. You're actually the second person today to fucking ask me to manage their money. 75, is that worth it? Dude, I gotta set up like a fucking, I gotta set up like something to do that, because man, I've been asked by like, holy fuck, I couldn't even tell you how many people. But probably, that's actually a number that I would probably consider. No Name followed me, thank you very much. Pound Cat is my biggest drawdown, but my drawdown not too horrible. Hopefully it comes down soon. Yeah. Mine was at, I think it got up to like 10%. Shit. I think I got up to like 10%, and then now we're back down to like 4. It was 4.2 just before at 3.4% profit. So, I mean, for me, that's nothing. And Pound Cat, I think's the same. Yeah, Pound Cat's the most drawdown for me. What a squeeze on this, but eh? Holy shit, this has been fucking insane. Just massive. So, 4-hour gap fill, profit target. If I drop this down, I could make like the most disgusting amount of money ever, but I don't know. I'll think about it. We'll see how we move. I might do it for shits and gigs tomorrow before CPI. Fuck, I hope for a positive CAD CPI. That'd be fucking nuts. I was on 16%, but down to 10%. That's not a like a smaller demo account, but right. Like, that's not too bad. How long you been trading for? 5 years. Yeah, 500. Oh yeah, I mean that's pretty good. That's pretty good then. 10% for a 500. Thoughts on TJR? I don't have any fucking thoughts on him. Good marketer, very smart marketer. What pairs? I trade 18 different pairs. What do you trade? Yeah, he's a very smart marketer. Obviously, the majority of his money comes from selling fucking courses and shit. They're very obvious. Okay, crypto pairs. I don't trade crypto pairs. Currencies. I started with. Yep. How'd you get into it? I don't remember. I honestly don't remember how I got into it. I really don't. I was always like entrepreneurial minded, and I did quite a few different side hustles and shit like that, but yeah, somehow I just stumbled across it. The only thing I really remember from back then is telling myself to just stick with it. I'll make it work. And I did. Let's talk stocks. Thank you for following me. Why? Pairs are pairs. They are definitely not. Is trading off news or strategy better, or both? Wait, what? Is trading off news or strategy better? Or trading off a strategy? They at E. I'm a hedge fund. Pairs of pairs. Oh man, no worries. Okay, test. Okay. Trading off of news with no strategy is definitely not a good idea, in my opinion. Test Bitcoin to Euro. What? What are you talking about? I don't trade crypto. Sorry. Bitcoin is for third largest assets. I like to test. Okay. You also just said you're a hedge fund. What do we have here? Pair, but crypto pairs are different than currency pairs. I just want your point from people who give advice on pairs. A pair is a pair regardless of what it is. So, bro. Not even bothering with that. Not even bothering. Fuck, 2 hours, 20 minutes is what we gotta go live for today. When do these stop? $20 days. Okay. When do we start getting tier 2s and tier 3s? Because that's what really matters. gonna jump off. See you tomorrow if I don't work too late. All sweet. Thank you very much for tuning in. Talk to you later. And during this week too. After getting a call. That's what I meant to click on. Okay, we're about to tap into tier 2s. Thank fuck for that. 1,120. Fuck, Jesus. If only we had more viewers today, eh? We're getting fucked on viewers. So bad, man. So bad. It's fucking atrocious. I should be a fucking... Alright. Oh, that was someone else. No! What's your top tip for managing risk in currency trading? Depends on your strategy. Top tip for managing risk. Yeah. Capital protection. So in my... Sorry, I was just thinking about all these complicated fucking things and stuff. And I didn't go to the most basic thing, which is capital... I call it capital preservation, right? You need your capital, right? This is the number one job as a trader is capital preservation. And it's the same as protection, right? Sort of. If you have no capital, you can't trade. And yes, absolutely, Xander. I only risk 0.25% or 0.1% per initial trade, and then obviously we scale in and it goes up a little bit. But yeah. The market doesn't give a shit about your money, how much money you have. It doesn't fucking care. It doesn't care. So if every single fucking indicator in the world indicated that it was going to go bullish, it can and it will go bearish. It doesn't give a shit, right? It all depends on what the market makers are going to do. Like hedge funds, pension funds, banks, large financial institutions. Doesn't matter what fucking, if you have the best indicator on the world, if they're gonna press the button to go bearish, it's gonna go bearish. The only reason it goes up and down is because there's imbalance in conviction between buyers and sellers. What capital did you start with? 20K. How do you stay disciplined during losing streaks? I don't get losing streaks, to be honest. I really don't. I get drawdown. Like, I can be in drawdown, like a lot of drawdown, and how would I stay disciplined is because, I mean, I use an expert advisor, right? Now, expert advisors remove so much emotion from your trading. Obviously, I can look at the number of drawdown that I'm in and kind of panic or whatever, but it's just I've done it so many times over and over and over again. And this trade, for example, has gone about as bad as they can get, right? Doesn't matter. Does not matter. Oh, shit. Like, I'm not in that much drawdown. I know where I start to get uncomfortable with specific trades. And not specific trades, but specific trades and how much drawdown I'm in, and I haven't reached a level that I'm uncomfortable in, and I rarely ever do. So that comes down to risk management as well. If you have good risk management, you're never going to be really put in a position that you have to, struggle to stay disciplined. Doesn't particularly matter for me, because the way that I've built my strategy and everything and my psychology towards these things and how we manage different things, it removes a lot of that sort of stuff. Well, I see people that overtrade, right? A lot. I see it a lot in the community. They want to jump in and they want to start overtrading and over leveraging their positions and everything, and it will burn them in the end, right? I just don't do it. You just gotta, that's why there's an expert advisor here. It stops you from doing that. It's only when you start hitting the buy and sell button that you start to get into trouble. So if I just don't do that, it doesn't really matter. Even if you've got millions, that doesn't matter. The market won't move on that. Yeah. What's your 20K at now? No comment. You think XBX and SPY will keep dropping today? No idea. Overtrading and over-risking is the worst thing you can do. Yep. Tom House, buddy. How is it? Good. Things are good. But it's time. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Enjoy. Oh, do we have no music up? I'm such a piece of shit. Oh, no, we do. Enjoy the elevator music. I'll be back. Keep asking questions, keep liking, keep doing all that shit. I want some stuff to get back to because we're fucking 2 hours in and we're struggling. We're struggling. Let's finish off 15 minutes. Let's finish off strong. What's your method for confirming trend continuation after pullback on multiple time frames? He's gone. So there's no point answering that. Fuck, it sucks, man. I was hoping to hit 5K today. So close. So close. What would you say for US dollar CAD? I don't think he's in here anymore either. 3 people in here. That's fucking depressing. That's fucking depressing. Bum cheeks and cheese. What up, Brock? How are we? How you doing? Yeah, I think he's gone. You're still a card. Coming down to these lows. I am in it. I did just adjust my TP for US dollar CAD for yesterday's low. Fuck. So we'll see. We'll see. Potential M pattern reversal or sideways, but we got CPI tomorrow, so who knows what'll happen with the CAD. We'll wait and see. We shall wait and see. How much longer do we have? 10 minutes, I think. 13 minutes. That'll be fine. Sumball, thank you very much for liking. Let's have a look at the likes. Who's been fucking pulling weight? Xander has been. I don't see him up there very much. 5.3. Not at the top of the leaderboard. Holy shit. Thank you. Measy 4.9. Dax 4000. Butchie. Typical Butchie's up there. 3.1. Mindfuel 1.9. Kill Yourself 1.6. Inexorable 1.5. Sienna 1.2. MK Amel 800. I was pulling weight. QW, thank you very much for following me. One step closer to the 5,000 that we were hoping to hit today, but we probably won't unless it went live for fuck, I don't even know. How many more do we have? 14. Fuck, we so could have hit that. If we had our old... We've only had 1,000 people come through today. It's fucking atrocious. Absolutely awful. Yeah, that's kind of shit. Oh well. Trading Europe. Like euro. Like the euro? Europe market. I trade euro pairs. I trade currency pairs. So I'm currently in 4 euro pairs. I'm not trading like indices though. Or are you talking about like the time? Like are you talking about the London session? Yeah, the time. No, that's all good. Yeah, I trade all sessions. Like it's just, I trade all the time. I use an expert advisor that runs 24/7. 24/5. So yeah, technically I do trade London, just not specifically London session. Every session. How do you keep up with the news? I got these. Financial Juice and Forex Factory. So Financial Juice gives you all the headlines and everything to basically what's going on. If people are talking, it will chuck it up here. Everything in red is the stuff that you really should pay attention to. Trump told Zelensky that Putin offered to freeze front lines elsewhere if Ukraine withdraws fully from eastern Donetsk and Luhansk regions as part of a deal, according to a source with familiar discussions. Putin told Trump he could relax some territorial claims in exchange for the Donetsk region. Like, the red stuff's really important, and obviously you can see when Trump's talking, it will just put all the headlines in. So I pay attention to this, read that every now and again, and then I've got forexfactory.com, which gives you all the major impact and medium impact news. You can put minor on, like low impact news, but there's just so much garbage in there that doesn't really fucking do anything. So, you know, yeah, I just turn the low impact news off and just focus on the medium and high impact. Do you have anything in particular, just search news? Nah. So yeah, these two, forexfactory.com and financialjuice.com. And then it's just the calendar that gives you this. Pretty decent, might look into that. Yeah, 100%. I've been using these websites for years. You said financial juice. There you go. And then I'll chuck the other one in. There you go. Oh, sweet. No stress. Definitely pay attention to news. There are so many people out there that don't give a shit about the news, and almost all of them are unprofitable. You need to know what the fuck is happening and why pairs are moving. Like, you just need to know. So yeah, definitely pay attention to the news. Not everything, right? You don't need to know fucking everything that's happening, just those sorts of things. But, you know, high impact stuff that's going to affect currencies or indices. If you trade those sorts of instruments, that's, yeah, pay attention to it. Yeah. Fucking 34k likes. That's good. God damn it. I wanted to have some shots for 5k followers. It's gonna have to be tomorrow. Fuck. Thank you. All good. No stress. So close, man. So close. Which would be better to trade, Forex or indices? In my opinion, I prefer trading Forex because I can spend a lot less time on the charts. And in my opinion, how I trade the indices compared to Forex, Forex is more reliable. It's more of like whereas it's less stressful. When I'm trading the indices, I use like an opening range breakout strategy. So I got to be there waiting at the market open, waiting for lots of volume, and then I can be stuck there for fucking hours, and it's just, I prefer this. Way prefer Forex. I haven't traded indices. I traded indices for like a year and a half, and I haven't traded them for like 6 months since I started the community and live streaming and everything. What time frame do you normally trade Forex? So I use a So I developed an expert advisor, right, which is like a trading bot that does all my entries for me, and it will automatically put in take profits that I input. That's based off of the 1 hour higher time frame and then 5-minute confirmation. So both of them need to line up for me to be able to take a trade. But the good thing about this strategy, right, and the way that it's customizable is you can change it to how you live your life, right? So if you've got a job, you just use a higher time frame. You use the 4-hour time frame for high time frame confirmation and the 15-minute for lower time frame confirmation, so you don't have to stare at it all the time. I mean, I don't stare at it all the time, but you don't have to be more on top of it. You still get lots of entries, but you get less than if you were to use M5H1. On what time zone? What do you mean, what time zone? Like, it runs 24 hours, 5 days a week. It's always on. I don't particularly trade any specific sessions or anything. Is this ETH? Nah. This is Eurocard. I don't, actually, I'll have a look at the crypto shit. Woo! Getting up there. Time highs, come crashing down. Looks similar graph. Yeah, you're good. That's sweet. Set the VPS to New York and my broker is restricted there? Needed to change to Amsterdam? What the fuck? Oh, so you couldn't even download the MT4? So that would be the only thing, is you'd need to download the MT4 and then get the MT4 on your chart, and then you'd be sweet. 24K pars. Thank you very much for following me. One day you have no shirt, the other day you have full shirt, now you have half shirt. Is that a signal? What do you mean? Gotta show off these fucking... Yeah? What's the signal meant to be? Stupid question, but how would you trade Forex? Can you trade it on Trade Locker? I've never used Trade Locker. I don't even know how it fucking works. But what do you mean, how would I trade Forex? I do trade Forex. Like what? I'm just kind of confused. Maybe just reword that a little bit. Hello, what up? Loki, really? Welcome back. Needed to reroute the VPS. What the fuck? MT4-5, you need a broker. Like, how do you get the platform? Yeah, basically what QWQW said. What country do you live in? Does? I got Tiger Trade app. What, it closes down one day and take all my money? I don't know what Tiger Trade is. But that's the risk you have to take if you're using like a sketchy offshore broker. United States. Oh, fuck no. So. Oh! So. You're kind of restricted with a lot of the shit that you do with the US, because if you need you would want leverage, you'd have to go to an offshore broker, which is sketchy as fuck. So you'd probably have to, I think you're stuck with 1 to 50 leverage, and I'd probably go with Oanda for your broker. They're a regulated broker and you'll be fine with them. You got all the protections and everything. But I think you're stuck with 1 to 50 leverage. And if you just go to oanda.com and then download fucking MT4 and then open a fucking demo account, you can start fucking around with things. Should be financially regulated. Yeah. UK, we have the FCA, and anything EU should be FCA regulated. Yeah. They're registered with that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, you'll be fine then. If they're regulated with the ASIC, there's protections. So you should be fine. Do you use funded accounts? I've got one, but I don't use it. It's I gotta check it though. Because there is, if you don't use it, they'll just close the account. And I haven't taken a trade on it for, I don't even know how long. But I don't particularly like fundeds. But I have been funded multiple times. But personal. I way prefer. Thank you. All good. Thanks, bro. All good. All good. Glad I can help. Glad I can help. There we go. Fuck yeah. We got the 140 minutes. Fuck yeah, we can get a tier 2 now. Thank God we're on a tier 2s, bro. Oh, thank God. Tier 1 flares don't do anything. So thank the Lord. God damn it, I'm fucking good looking. Can you explain leverage and how it actually works? I'm still confused. It's confusing. And there's maths, calculations with margin and everything. Fuck. If you want the best explanation, because I'm literally about to get off. I was getting off at 2 hours, 20 minutes, and it's 2 hours, 20 minutes, 23 minutes. So I'm about to get off. What you do, go on ChatGPT and say, can you explain leverage and margin for me? And say I have $1,000 and I want 1 to 30 leverage. Can you explain leverage and margin? Say you have a 70% margin. Just do that. It's kind of like you can hold more in the market than what you have monetary wise. Yeah. But to get like a super in-depth explanation of it, because it can be a bit confusing. You have to be careful, because if you lose, you don't know anything if you lose. That's not true. Because you'll get margin called, and they'll cut your positions off. Like before, so if you have a 70% margin, you go on a 70% drawdown, you'll get margin called and they'll cut positions off. I'm gonna get off. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you want to jump in the Discord, the free Discord. We need more active people, and I'm going to try and work on doing some shit that might bring us together more, if you know what I mean. What are your time frames alignments you do? What are your time frame alignments you do? 1 hour high time frame, 5-minute entry. Alright, if you need me, I'll be in Discord, and I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Standard Time. Have a fantastic evening. I will see you guys tomorrow.